Hi, today we will discuss how to do your Shopify shipping settings. Shopify introduced some new features, so we will discuss in this video. First of all, you will go to here in setting, then in shipping tab. Also, please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. So here we have some new features that Shopify introduced, like custom shipping rates for product. Now you can create a custom shipping rate per product. Like if you want to give a specific amount of shipping, like you want to charge $2 for necklaces and $4 for watches. Now you can create different profiles. Just create a new profile here. Now we will move to the next section. On here you can write the name of the profile that you want to make. Like you want to make this profile for watches, you just write here. Then you can go here and you can add that product. You can add multiple product there, and like this one we want to add, and this one we want to add, and press the done here. Now here we will come here. Now we will create the different shipping zones. Like we will want to create this shipping zone for United States. So we will click here United and find it. Click here, and now we have created a zone. Now we will select the rate that we want to make. Like we will name it standard, and we will charge $3 for this specific product. Now we will click here just on save. You can set other create other shipping zones and charge according to that. So and the main settings which you can general shipping setting you can done here. You can click here on manage rates, and these are all the products. New products are added in the profile. So I have set these shipping rates, like I am charging free from $50 to hour, and $0 to $50 I am charging $4. You can delete these and add new. First of all, you will create a shipping zone. Like I want to create a shipping zone from for Europe. So you just here write and select the countries. Like I want France, and France. Then I will click here. This shipping zone is created. Now I will add the rates. I will name it standard and charge $4 for it, and like that. And you can set the rest of the world, all the other countries. I am charging $6. You can also modify this zone also. Just click here and modify it, and share and charge the rates according to your product prices and the shipping. So that's all from today's short tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thanks.